end the test drive there. Now then, what have we just got? Anybody who, any YouTubers out there or any other dealers, I know lots of you watch my videos, any other dealers, car dealers out there, or people who use YouTube, I've just downloaded a program. I was recommended to download it, and it's called Tubebuddy, and I'm not kidding. It's absolutely everything you need to optimize your videos on YouTube. So I've put a link to it on our website in the shop, and in our affiliates. It's free, and it is absolutely worth its weight in gold. So if you click on the link, download it, you can optimize your videos, search out keywords, you can make a search friendly thumbnail for your videos too, make your thumbnail stand out. It's really good, as I say, free program, and you can also have the same thing on your app. It's a fantastic addition. So I'll finish the test drive there, and we'll see you in the next one.